Hello and welcome to my channel today. I brought for you this flip through video of the journal I made. This is a approximately 8-inch by 5.5-inch journal with a 1-inch spine. It's got two signatures. On the cover it has this beautiful leaf. The whole journal is sort of pink purple themed. Let's look in the inside. So you have a pocket here with an envelope, a couple of tags, and then a tag here with a button, some collage with some lace. Then you have a little booklet, then some tea-dyed pages, some washi tape, a coloring page, some sewing done on the edge, rather I sewed onto the strip of paper and then glued it onto the edge. Some storybook page, then a large book page tag. It's attached with a paper clip with some buttons. Another collage piece, and these black and white images from my black and white kit. It's available on Etsy. Another collage page, a tuck spot here to fold out like that. Just some writing space for you. Some washi tape, storybook page, a bookmark. This has got different fabric pieces sewn on together on a piece of cardstock, some lace and a ribbon on the side with a tail. More coloring page, some washi tape, more of those images. You could of course stamp on the paper directly, but I like using such black and white images at times. Just gives you a little bit of variety. Then you have this paper clip that holds this pull out like that. Of course it could all come out. Then a couple of tags and journaling cards in this pocket. This is also from that black and white kit. I just printed out the pages and tea dyed them. So what you do is, the black and white kit has these pages like this. So at times you can simply fold this in half and stick it in your signature, so you already have something going on the page. So I like the look it gives. And of course the whole kit has all kinds of images like these. So the images that you saw, I simply tear around the image, then ink it and paste it onto the page like that. I'll leave the link down below. There are more than 30 pages with all kinds of images in that kit. This is also from that kit. A pocket here and another tuck spot there. Coloring page, another collage piece with some sewing on it, another collage tuck spot, one of my favorites, this piece, then a fabric collage tag in the pocket, storybook page, another one of those pages. I just tea dyed the white pages. Another tag piece here with a bit of jute rope. A flip out like that. Storybook image. A journaling card with a button. Some washi tape. Just a collage piece with some 4 postage stamps that I made. I have a video of this and I'll leave it down below if you're interested. Another one of those images from that kit. Then a pocket at the end. This is a painting I did, and some just squiggly lines depicting writing. You could of course use the back for journaling. Then a tag inside the envelope. So that was the journal. I hope you liked the flip through. Please leave a like and a comment below if you found this journal interesting, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.